Does anyone hear the wedding bells? 'Cause I sure do. Who would have thought? Our very single, very anti-marriage Kendall will drop this bombshell on us and like this. But here she is, the absolute queen, waiting for nothing to ring her man down.
It kind of happened really naturally. Like, I can't say I was like, you know.
Gone are the days when all we heard were rumors of Kendall and Bad Bunny locking lips in LA clubs. We are talking serious business now. More precisely, white dresses and walks down the aisle. Kendall might be planning a secret wedding, just like she has sneakily gone ahead and gotten engaged with Bad Bunny.
From like a really young age that I didn't really want to like.
Yeah.
I think it makes my life a lot easier and our relationship a lot better.
Good for her fans. She is no longer secretive about it and wants the whole world to know what she is about to tie the knot sooner than later. And guess what? The whole darn world seems to be spinning with gossip and skepticism, questioning the authenticity of this decision. But here's the tea, folks. We should have seen this coming because Kendall has been dropping hints left, right, and center. We were just too blind to see she wanted to follow in the footsteps of the Jenner sisters. You know, marriage and kids, the domestic stuff. How long could Kendall be the cool single aunt after all? But how did we miss it?
You know, had the opportunity to watch my older sisters, you know, go through marriages and relationships and breakups and all these things. And
well, it's not new for her to sneak around and date. So fans did not make much out of the rumors that would surface time and again about her going out with Bad Bunny. The first time they were spotted out was back in February 2023 when they were leaving Wally's. Then a month later, another picture surfaced where she leaned in for a kiss during a dinner. This is when some insiders dropped the news of Kendall seeming serious about Bad Bunny. He's very charming and she thinks he's a great guy. Although things are still fairly new, she definitely sees potential, the source revealed. And did we mention the horseback riding rendezvous? Yep, Kendall and Bad Bunny were spotted gallivanting on horseback together, sending fans into a frenzy. Who knew these two were the equestrian type? There have been so many cutesy dates and cozy paparazzi photos that it is becoming increasingly difficult to keep track.
Kendall Jenner and Bad Bunny were spotted getting pretty close at the Met Gala after party, with Kendall wrapping her arms around Bad Bunny's neck.
But nothing could have prepared us for what Kendall did next. She decided to take the big leap and get engaged in a secret ceremony. And now we are left waiting for her to make the grand announcement with her soon-to-be husband. Safe to say, this news has us all baffled. But what does the Kardashian clan think of this? This must have been as big of a shock for them, too? Well, not really. It might have been what they all wanted, especially Mama Kris, who is over the moon. Rumor has it that Kendall, the last singleton standing in the Kardashian empire, was being strong-armed by Mama Kris herself to put a ring on it with Bad Bunny. Yes, you heard that right. So she might have been the one to push Kendall in this direction as much as Kendall disagrees.
Really enjoying it, and it was like, I know it's kind of corny to say, but almost like destiny. Like, I think that was what was pushing me that direction, and I like presented the...
And mind you, this was no overnight decision. Kris has had it in plans for a while. During the season 3 finale of The Kardashians, Kendall revealed her mom gave her a custom dollhouse with an interesting surprise inside, an engagement ring. She put an engagement ring in mine because she thought it was manifesting an engagement for me, Kendall revealed to the camera. So if that tells you anything about where my mom wants me to be in life, in Bad Bunny's arms for sure. Then in another bombshell revelation, Kendall spilled the tea about Mama Kris's relentless mission to get her hitched. And if that wasn't enough, there's even talk that Kris went straight to Bad Bunny himself, asking when he's planning to pop the question. Can you believe the nerve of Mama Jenner? Well, it seems like Kendall was quick to act on her advice. So we aren't complaining either. But Kendall did resist at first. In the end, Mama Jenner's got big plans to keep the Kardashian name in the headlines won over. And her latest master plan is through Kendall's marriage with Bad Bunny. But hold up, is this all just a big, fat publicity stunt? Because sometimes it seems like Bad Bunny and Kendall are no match for each other. For one, Bad Bunny, with his unapologetic activism and straight talk, seems like an odd match for our girl Kendall. I mean, seriously, talk about mixing oil and water. Secondly, her man isn't exactly very keen on the idea of marriage. According to a source, the singer said that he is not interested in marrying and having children at the moment. But he doesn't dismiss the possibility of settling down in the future. But hold your horses, because some insiders are swearing by the authenticity of their torrid romance. A source told In Touch Weekly, she's hinted to him that she'd love to be engaged. They've only been dating for 6 months, but things are serious and it feels right to Kendall, the insider said. So it doesn't matter what Bad Bunny thinks. What our queen wants, she gets. Yet, even as the sparks fly between these two, the scrutiny doesn't falter. Eagle-eyed enthusiasts are dissecting their every move, analyzing their every glance, trying to figure out how Bad Bunny is the best fit for Kendall. Don't worry, we have all the answers for you right here. We've all seen the carefully curated drama that the Kardashian clan orchestrates for their reality TV empire. It's all about that meticulous image management, baby. Now, I'm no financial guru, but get this. Bad Bunny, the man himself, is allegedly dishing out a whopping $150,000 each month for a penthouse in the heart of New York City. And guess who's sharing this opulent love nest with him? None other than Kendall Jenner. You heard it right, the one and only. So this luxurious penthouse, just to give you a taste of the glamour, spans a lavish 4,532 square feet, boasting 4 bedrooms and a grand total of 4.5 bathrooms. And that's just the beginning of the fancy features. People are talking, and they're not shy about it. They say that Bad Bunny's penchant for this extravagant lifestyle emerged after his whirlwind romance with Kendall Jenner, which isn't admirable. Allegedly, he's trying to keep up with her lavish tastes.
Kendall, I hope you're not including your boyfriend in every shooting of the Kardashians episodes.
I think he's been a couple times, but
In exchange, Kendall has involved Bad Bunny in her Kardashian drama. Is this all about love? Or perhaps the desire to impress the Kardashian Jenner powerhouse? Some folks even go as far as saying he's losing touch with who he really is. One fan commented, "One thing needs to be mentioned. Bad Bunny can be very much playing around not taking this relationship too seriously." He doesn't care what people comment on him, however, the fact that Bad Bunny chose to make himself public with someone like Kendall, can I be honest? I don't listen to him now. His life, his decisions. I just won't be purchasing tickets for his concert. Another said, "This relationship has been so bizarre to me. No way they actually have a legit connection." But here's the real kicker. Bad Bunny is no small fish in the sea. His net worth is a whopping 40 million. I'm not here to count people's coins, but can you see how this fits the criteria of Kendall's potential husband? Rich? Check. Famous? Check. Willing to upgrade his lifestyle for you? Double check. Now, it might seem like everything is moving too fast, but Kendall's not compromising on her wedding experience. She has planned to take it slow from here onwards, which means we might not see her in a white gown too soon. She has made it crystal clear that her decision to marry might be out in the open, but she's not about to rush into marriage or motherhood just to fit the Kardashian mold. Kendall will be taking her time. So what do you think of this Kendall-Bad Bunny relationship? Is marriage in the cards for them in the near future? Or is it all just a tactic for keeping the Kardashian name on everyone's lips? We're dying to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you want to know why Kanye is pressuring his new wife to flaunt her body, watch this next video.